Tell you what, this young lady at the front of this boat has an absolute death grip on that rope. There's no way this boat's getting away from her. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest production on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps. And this really is a production. This is a group team effort, guys. We actually have 4 cameramen out here filming. Right now, we're here at Black Point with Big Mike, but also we got Wavy over at 79th today. We'll check in with him a little bit later. We've also got a couple other guys running around Miami getting us footage also. And then Wavy Boats will spend hours in the editing room coming up with fantastic thumbnails for you guys and also great titles for these videos as well, all before we can get this final product pushed out the door to you guys. So if you enjoyed the show, be sure to hit that like button and let's go ahead and get this episode of Miami Boat Ramps started. I'll tell you what, the first thing I noticed about being over here is Black Point is a completely different vibe than the footage that we got over at 79th the last week. And these guys seem to be a little bit more pro over here as well. We're not seeing a lot of the same kind of incidents we were seeing over at Black Point. I mean, this is a pretty flawless docking job. My man's coming in just looking pretty good. Wife and daughter are going to check it right up. See how this goes? Wife, you got the other line? What is this? The over the head. Oh, and she missed. Can she get it with the second shot? Oh, we're not going to toss it for the second time. We're just going to loop it around, huh? She can't go for the twofer on that one. Now we got these lines all settled, though. Watching these guys come in. Cap looks a little nervous here. I always love these. When Cap looks a little nervous, we all know something's going to go down. They can't make it through flawlessly. Even girlfriend looks a little nervous. Uh-oh. We're going over the rail. This could be gold. This doesn't look like a good idea. Look, this guy looks like he could just hit the throttle at any point in time because he's a little nervous and just send her right off that front rail. She's both legs over the rail now, it looks like. Oh, she's going to go for it. She's going to go for the lead. Oh, she made it. I was hoping for a little gold there. Man, we were getting the old death stare from Tony Soprano on the back of this boat. This just looks like a scene from The Sopranos. I wonder if these guys really went fishing or they went out there to, dump something in the water. Oh, we go for the distance throw and we got it. I was wondering what they were doing. They were just kind of floating away from the dock sitting here, and Cap wasn't doing anything to try and get him on there. Tony's going to go for the toss as well. Will Tony succeed? He does. Man, we're not getting the drama we're hoping for here today at Black Point, that's for sure. I wonder what's going on over at 79th Street. I wonder if we can hit old Wavy up here in a little bit. We'll have to take a look and see. Hopefully he's getting something that's a little more enthralling than this. I don't know. We got some action, it looks like maybe here. A couple boats doing a couple different things. Things can always go sideways from this point. And Cap's drifting off here. It looks like we're going to have to go for the old line thrown again. That's been the popular move here today. Oh, we got the first miss. Miss number 2. Air balls 3. Oh, now he's going to have to pass the line off. Thank God somebody got off the boat, man. We could have been here all day. Man, that was a whole lot of effort right there to try and get this line off this boat. Now we're just going to hang it up here at the dock. Let's see if they can finish the job, finish getting this boat in. Man, we've only got that front line. We've still got to get the rear of this boat in. It looks like we've relinquished this duty. My man has lost his throwing job. After 3 air balls in a row, they're not going to let him go at it anymore. Oh, wifey misses the first one too. Oh, but she still shows the husband up by hitting it on the second one.
Going on YouTube.
We're being set up here. For those who aren't familiar with jet boats, they're a very jerky motion, especially when you're trying to get throttles in and out and stop this boat. The rear deck's one of the most dangerous places on a jet boat. You see this guy back here? Oh, come on! We are going to catch that shot one of these days. Man, this is like the 4th gold shot we've just barely missed by somebody catching their balance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not really wishing somebody to fall in the water. Well, maybe I am a little bit. But just for your entertainment, guys, that's it. I mean, but, man, that was a close one. That was about as close to gold as we've seen, actually, though. Let's see if they can complete the job now. My man's switching lines, so they've obviously decided to go to a different dock from where they originally anticipated going. The Cap's approaching the front here. Oh, we're actually going to have our guy who almost fell off actually come up to handle the lines on the front. All these people on the boat, and nobody else wants to get off. Maybe the rest of these guys have been around this captain enough to realize that getting off the front of the back of this boat might be a dangerous proposition with this captain. Now, I don't understand why I see people doing this, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong here. So when I pull up, maybe I'm the only boater who does this. If somebody's getting off the front of my boat, I try and hand them a line from the mid-cleat. That way they can just wrap that line around a pole, a couple taps of reverse, and I'm docked. From the front cleat, you can't do that. Write it up in the comments below. Let me know how you guys do it. Now, you gotta love this, man, when you guys have the matching shirts. This has to be his idea to have the matching shirts. You know that for sure. Definitely. My man's going to do the step off. But she got it. Oh! Man, these are just racking up today. I wonder how many we're going to have total. Go ahead and light it up in the comment section below now, too. Let's see how many misses are we going to have today, guys. I'll tell you what, though. Other than people having some butterfingers on these dock line throws, it's been a pretty kind of off day. There's not a whole lot crazy going on. I've not seen anybody smash into a dock. Nobody's fallen off a boat. Nobody's done anything kind of nuts. I wonder if Wavy's having any better luck over at 79th Street. Let's give him a call and see how things are going over there.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's going on, man? How's it going over there at 79th?
Bro, it's kind of slow today. There's not much going on here at 79th Street right now, bro. You know, kind of slow day. You want to see it? Here, let me put it on. Yeah, like I said, bro, this is kind of a slow day for 79th Street, as you can see.
All right, bro, we'll holler at you later. We'll let you get back to it. Mike, it looks like we picked the wrong ramp today, buddy. We should have been at 79th. This is never good. We got some engine alarms sounding, so it sounds like my man is not under power, and he is drifting back into the dock. This is always a fun time. This is an exciting time as a captain. Most of us captains have experienced this at least once, and it's one of those very helpless feelings, but we're going to see how this one plays out. Let's see how they roll this one. Oh, we got some help. We get the assist coming off the dock. As a boater, nothing sucks worse than this. You get down there, get the whole family and the crew ready, everybody excited to get out there on the boat, and then you get down and there's an issue and you're not going anywhere. This really is like one of the most disheartening feelings when you're a boater. Now we got everybody out of the boat. We get to do one of my favorite things to see down here at the dock, especially at a busy boat ramp like Black Point is right now. We get to do that dock shuffle. We've got to get this boat out of the water, so we've got to find a way to get this turned around so we can get it onto the trailer. See how these guys want to roll this one. With the current and everything, always makes for a fun time. Kick her out. There you go. At least he's got some help, man. Something like this would suck to do by yourself. Where are the jet skis at, man? Somebody on a jet ski should go over here and help these guys, man. Just help them, give them a little push around. Even once they get this turned around, though, I'll tell you what, man, it's going to be a pain to get this thing on the trailer. This is a pretty good-sized boat to be trying to push this onto a trailer, not under power. Got it, buddy. We'll keep rolling. Well, it looks like we're in for a little bit of a treat today, as we've got the old Black Point mascot. The Crocodile himself has shown up. And he's right over here near the docks. There's actually a lady and a small child in this dock. I wonder if they see him, because right now I don't see any signs that actually make them look like they recognize he's there. Maybe he's eyeballing up his kid for a little snack. But he's coming. He's coming into the dock. He's going up. Look pretty darn close to the shore, it looks like. This is a Black Point legend here, though. Always hanging out around the docks. Just another obstacle at the dock. I mean, for many captains, you already feel like coming into a boat ramp and a dock is a stressful enough situation. Now let's throw a crocodile into the mix, and let's see how that ups the ante on this, on the kind of pressure you're going to feel coming to the dock. Is the croc going to climb on this boat? He's eyeballing that swim deck. Thinking that looks like a nice place to lay out. And it'd be awesome if you just get up in there as well. Come on, Croc, you got it. Croc, you're about to miss your window. They're going to pull out. They're going to pull out of the water. What in the world is that? Did you guys see that in the bottom left of the screen? What in the heck was that thing? Maybe the crocodile should be getting out of the water. I don't know what that was, but whatever that was huge. These guys are going to pull out, so you're missing your free ride on the swim deck. I don't know what that was, but whatever that was, I mean, that was something massive in the water, guys. You're going to have to go back and relook at the video clip on that, but man, I have no earthly clue what that was. So how do you handle this one as a captain, guys? You pull back in at the end of a long day, you're ready to put this boat on the trailer and head home, and something's blocking the ramp. No, it's not one of those guys who just wants to sit there and block the ramp all day. It's actually the Black Point Crocodile sitting here on the ramp eating his dinner. I mean, which one of your friends are you pointing to go down there and move this thing? That's just a crazy scene right there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps, and I hope you're looking forward to the 79th Street edition that'll come out that we saw the little preview from Wavy Boats with, because I'll tell you what, I sure am looking forward to making that video. If you haven't checked out our other channels, be sure to do so. We have Wavy Boats, who does a lot of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there. We've also got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet. And of course, this channel, Miami Boat Ramps. Be sure to drop an anchor on that subscribe button. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.